Did you ever get the warning your Windows resources were critically low and that you needed to close some SOLIDWORKS windows? Have you seen a similar warning about being low on memory? Those warnings may not necessarily be related to system RAM. They could be related to video memory or something called GDI Objects. To view GDI Objects, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and open the Task Manager. Next, click the Details tab. An observant viewer will notice I have a crazy amount of SOLIDWORKS sessions open, but we will ignore that. Let's add a new column. Right-click any of the column headings and click Select Columns. Scroll down and look for GDI Objects. Check it and click OK. Click a column heading to sort by that column. Sorting by GDI Objects allows for viewing the worst culprits. There is a Windows limit of 10,000 for this value. If SOLIDWORKS approaches that value, it is close to crashing. It means it's time to close some windows. Keep the Task Manager open so you can monitor it while you work. The GDI Objects value should decrease as you close SOLIDWORKS windows. This tech tip was brought to you by Dave Murray and CADimensions. Happy modeling!